Hey guys, T here. The front porch of our house has always been a disappointment to me. It's never had any, I don't know, architectural or artistic statement to it. So I wanna kind of work that up a little more and make it look a little more substantial and have it a little more style. I'm gonna add some 4x6s to it and to make the post have some more strength and also to look a little more substantial. The underside of the roof, you can see the rafters. I don't want to see the rafters anymore. We're going to cover that up. So we covered the inside so that we didn't see those ceiling joists. Still needs to be painted. Looks better though. And you can see a lot of the buildings and gazebos and stuff that I built around the property have a leaf motif or a forest motif. And I want to add that to the porch as well. So please subscribe, guys, if you will, and follow along. We're going to use a lot of stills here just because that's what we got. I'm going to put a maple leaf at the top of our porch. In other cases, I've cut the leaves out of wood and painted them in most cases. This time I'm going to use aluminum, 1/4-inch aluminum. And I think it'll look real good against the black. We're going to paint the wood addition black. I'm cutting it out on my bandsaw using a 1/8-inch blade. And it's just a wood cutting blade. You don't need a metal cutting blade for aluminum. So we're back at this project again. We're going to give this underside here some touch up, and then we're going to stain the uprights, the post, and the lintels. And then we're going to put a leaf up. Let's get to it. So let's place some positions for holes. I think we put one right here and right here. I think that'll do it. I don't think we need any more. This plywood isn't weatherproof, so I'm going to put some treatment on it, and then we'll stain it after that. Here's what I'm going to use. I've used this outside on some projects, and it works pretty good. Okay, so that's all the holes. I'm going to give it one more little coat here of preservative. So let's flip it over and put some push pins in the back. Now, you're going to be tempted to put 4 of them in there. I suggest that you put 3 and it'll be nice and stable. 4, it'll wiggle. There's 3. Done. I want to try to get it in the holes too. In case any water are able to get in the holes, I'd like it to be, or I'd like it to have some preservative in it. So here we go. We'll put a little rubber grommet in here on the back. So here's our maple leaf motif on the front entryway. I think it looks pretty snappy. Well, there we go. Got our nice little maple leaf up there, and I think it looks pretty good. I think it has made this front much more dramatic and looks much more like an entryway. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.